Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock REALME GT8 Pro without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is that please only try to unlock your phone in no other case someone else, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset through the recovery mode and we will lose all of our data. And the third thing is that if you reset the device through the recovery mode and when you get to the setup process, you'll have to sign in into the exact same Google account into which you were logged in before the reset. That's like an extra confirmation that we are a user of this device. So we'll have to sign in into Google account. So once we know that, you can take a look that the device is locked. I can't remember the password. And now we need to power off our device, so let's click power key and volume up at the same time and select power off. And now we need to enter recovery mode. We do it by holding the power key and volume down at the same time until we see the REALME logo. When it appears, release the finger from power key but keep holding volume down. So first power key and volume down, hold both buttons at the same time. When the REALME logo appears, release the power key, keep holding volume down. Now select your language. I'm about to select the English, and now select format data. Now type this code using the keyboard and click on format. Okay, data formatted, click on OK, and now we just need to simply wait until our phone turns on and we'll have to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.